What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. You're on day 31. Today's a rest day, but we got something to say, so stay tuned. All right, today is a rest day. You can either work up your upper body. That's what I have this shirt on. I'm going to do a little bit of resistance training later on. You could do stretching. You could do yoga, but just make sure you rest up those legs, get them ready for the next day. And I'm going to hand you over to Robin, Coach Robin. She's got a couple words to say, and then we'll let you go. So here's Coach Robin.
Hey guys, it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. That's our rest day, and I've decided that I'm going to do some yoga for runners today. So I know I've showed you some before, but let's just see, what's out here again. It's been a little while. So again, I noticed a lot of these are yoga with Adrienne, and she does a lot. Here's a 30-minute one. If you want to do a 20-minute one, there's a nice 20-minute one right here. Tired legs. How about that? That would be perfect, wouldn't it? It's 27 minutes. It's Adrienne, and it's yoga for tired legs. I think I might do them, but I'm just going to see what else is out here. We've seen the post-run and pre-runs before. And then here's some yoga with Erica. I don't know Erica. What was this one? Yoga for Runner's Flow, 43 minutes. That's kind of long, but you have time. You could do that one. Let's see. Yoga for Runners Rest and Recovery, 32 minutes. That looks pretty good. So there's a lot out here. Adrienne certainly has a lot going on. I'm just going to see if I recognize anybody else. I do. I can't think of the other lady's name that I do. Sarah Beth. I do a lot of Sarah Beth yoga. This is a stretch yoga for hips and back. That would be really, really good. So I might do that one later this week. But anyway, let's get started. You do whatever you want to do. This is what I'm going to do. And I'll see you when I'm done. Well, I feel really, really good now. All stretched out. My legs got a really, really good stretching. My back feels really good. So I hope you guys found something fun to do. Or if you just took the day off, that's perfectly fine too. So we have our run and walk coming up tomorrow. Same thing we did Monday and Tuesday. And I'll see you out there. Have a good one.
All right, you guys are doing great. I'm really proud of you. 31 days down. Day 32 is coming up tomorrow. I know you'll do great. I know you're going to keep pushing play. Again, if you like this series, make sure you click on the like button, the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified for all the healthy videos that we'll be putting out. And we put out a lot of healthy videos, so it all is there to help you live the youngest, healthiest, happiest life that you possibly can. It's just a bunch of tips that we have that can help you out. So anyway, so make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow, and I hope everyone the best. See you, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.